Hey, what's up everybody? This is your girl Tracy with Treseysworld, and today I'm taking you with me on a little adventure right here at Fox Valley Mall in Aurora, Illinois. And guess what? We're checking out this super fun spot, an exotic snack shop. That's right, that's filled with wild international treats from all over the world.
Welcome to my world. I'm a singer, actress. Watch my dreams take flight. Treseysworld is the place to be. Come along and share this journey with me.
As soon as I walked into the store, the first thing I noticed was how colorful everything was. Bright pink. Shelves were stacked with candy, chips, drinks, and yes, even the famous viral pickle kits. And I was definitely tempted to grab one. I took some time to check it out, but I had to pass because I can't handle too much spice right now. Strawberry Hershey's. Yep, I think I'll buy that one. Yeah.
They have like really the best thing in here is like the viral Dubai chocolate. Have you tried it before?
The what?
The viral Dubai chocolate. That's been the
No.
best chocolate right now.
On this?
Yeah, with all the pistachio.
Well, maybe I'll try.
Yeah.
I'll try a small.
Yeah, you can try the
Thanks,
small
I'm
one.
scared.
And the ice cream.
This one, I saw this one somewhere. It looks so good, but I don't know. Have you tried this though?
This is like the next version to Dubai chocolate. The idea is almost the same, but they added the cotton candy, you know.
Oh, it's cotton candy. It look. Oh, it's raspberry.
Raspberry, yeah. I think we all like raspberry. I like.
I love raspberry. I don't know about the cotton candy one part.
I use all my pre-workout as raspberry shakes, you know. I really like
You
it.
tried it? You like it? I'll try that. I don't know. I'm just trying to see. What are so these boxes have like a variety in there?
Yeah, all the variety of the things are on the store, like one of the chips, one of the chocolates, cookies, drinks, everything. Yeah, so you have the mystery boxes. How do you like the chips to be? You want like something spicy?
I like in between, like not too spicy, but like with a lot of
They
flavor.
are like not too hot. These all are like not too
All
hot,
of these?
but yeah, they're okay. You know?
I didn't even know they had chips.
Yeah, I have seen lately. We just got them like 1 week ago. So
I might try
yeah,
that.
they're like $8.99.
Okay.
So I don't know how it is, but I personally
Summer
like peach.
You like the peach one? I might try it.
Maybe some Oreos. Because you need to try Oreos. Do you like cinnamon flavor?
I had that one already. And that one, the blueberry.
The blueberry one?
Yeah, I had both of
I
those.
want to try the blueberry one.
But you know now, they sell these in Walmart for like $4.99.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So those
That's what I
Selena
got.
Gomez
And
Oreos
this came-
and
I got this
the
from
berry
Walmart.
Oreos,
I might do a small
blueberry
box.
golden Oreos, a little overpriced. I saw those in Walmart. Just saying.
Yeah, I might do a small one. Okay, thanks. I don't want to mess up your display. Bought it and it was in the thing. Did I let my... How quick does this melt? Does it hold up?
I'm not sure about the exact timing, but I think it's best to have. I don't know.
It should be okay.
It's
Okay.
best to have now.
Okay. It's caught. Thank you.
The bag is a little smaller,
Okay. I got it.
and it's best to have.
Yeah, I'll probably eat it.
You can have a seat there and maybe enjoy
Test it out. All right.
Need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Sure. My bad.
No, you. Well, guys, I had so much fun at Exotic Snack Guys. I would definitely recommend you walk through there, check it out. You'll find things that you probably will enjoy a whole lot, and you'll try things like I'm about to do. And in this next video, my mom, my dad, and I will be testing out some of these snacks. And we'll be finding out what's in the box. What's in the box. But right now, I'm about to go find me a little spot and check out this viral ice cream that everybody's been raving about because I never tried it before. So I'm going to give it a little try, see how it is. And that's pretty much it for this video. Listen, guys, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. Don't be afraid to explore. Don't be afraid to try new things. And lastly, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and I need you to really watch the video to the end, okay? Watch a couple of commercials while you're at it because that helps me out and helps me continue to do what I do for you, okay? All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, y'all. So today we are trying some snacks that I got from the store.